While doing the Vyanjanani, I had told that a pure Vyanjana without any vowel attached to it will be written like this with a dash, the consonant with a slanting line below it. This represents a pure consonant without any vowel attached to it. Now we are learning how to write the Poornaksharas, that is vowel and consonant joined together, how we have to write. That is what we are learning in this video. So when K joins with A, we get K and it's written like this. For K, if we add A, then we get Ka. K plus E, Ki. I'll show you the writing part after showing you how the Poornaksharas look. Then we will do the writing practice also. K plus E, Ki. K plus U, Ku. K plus U, Ku. K plus R, Kr. K plus R, Kr. K plus L, Kl. This you need not worry too much about this because we don't use this much in the Laukika Sanskritam. K plus A, K. K plus I, Kai. K plus O, Ko. K plus Au, Kau. K plus Kam. K plus Aha, Kaha. For all other letters, it will be the same pattern. Now I have taken the letter K, but if you take any other letter, it will follow the same pattern. Now I'll show you how to write them. We'll just write the Poornaksharas. The previous thing what I told was just for your information, but now we'll just practice writing the Poornaksharas. Ka. Ka. Ki. Ki. Ku. Ku. Kr. Kr. You need not practice the letter Kl. So we'll go to K. K. Some people put that small circle at the tip of the slanting line, but you can just put a slanting line also. Kai. Ko. The difference between K and Ko, you might have noticed, the slanting line comes directly on K in case of K, and for Ko it comes on top of the vertical line. Cow, here also the two slanting lines come on top of the vertical line. Come. Kah. I will show for one more letter so that you know how it goes for other letters also. I'll take up the letter G. G. Ga. Gi. Gi. Gu. Gu. Gr. Gr. Ge. Gai. Go. Go. Gum. Gah. I have given some practice worksheets for beginners. The link is in the description below. It's completely free. You need not pay anything for the worksheets. Beginners can definitely download those worksheets and practice writing the script.